Chad here from Atlan Stormwater, just out on site today with one of our Vortceptors that we've installed. So this is it here. This is what we call an offline system. Basically we had an existing stormwater line that ran through here that the council wanted to treat. So we've put in our diversion chamber here, which diverts water from the main stormwater line into this chamber, into our Vortceptor, which then gets treated back into the chamber and out. So we've just been on site today doing a modification due to a design change. It had to be pulled out into the road. So we've just modified, put this cutout in there, which just shows how versatile these products are. We'll just show you down inside. So basically how it works, you can see your inlet chute down there, which funnels your water in and creates a vortex. Your water then goes out through a screen, and that captures all your big gross pollutants and any organic matter, things like that in here. And then you've got all your sediment which drops out into the bottom. And then you've got your access hole here, which you can put a sucker truck down in and clean out all your sediment. And here obviously you can suck out all your gross pollutants, anything that gets stopped going out into the wetland. Then that's your outlet there, which goes back into the diversion chamber and out. So basically this was a retrofit job for a existing stormwater line that ran into an underperforming wetland. So basically this is going to do all the heavy lifting for treating, taking any gross pollutants, silt, etc. out of the main line, keeping the wetland nice and clean.